All right, so before we get started, I'm just going to remove everything from here. And actually what I want to do in my bedroom is I want to rearrange everything in my bedroom, like all the furniture in here. So I want to put this bed on this side where this part of the desk is at, and then move both of these desks because they are attached. They do attach to each other. So I want to combine them back to originally the way they are and put them on this side of the wall, partially of the window as well, because now that I'm a plant mom and I have all these plants, I want them to receive that morning sun, because this light, the grow light that I have here, is just really, I don't know, it's huge. And actually this is a it's upside down, and I don't know, I just don't like the way that looks. So that is why I want to like rearrange everything. And so yeah, so the way this is just pretty much we're gonna flip it. So that bed's gonna go over here and this desk is gonna go over here, but on that corner. So this is what I've done so far. I removed, remember this was on this side here facing this way, and this was my little space of my laundry. So I wanted more space, especially because I want to be using my ironing board and it's just really crowded. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I can remove it again after this video, but I don't know, I just don't like how it really looks. Like the bed is in the middle between my closet, but now I don't know what to do with the side table from my bed. I might just put it over here somewhere, I don't know, because I still have like my shoes and stuff. I don't know what I got myself into. I didn't think this through, but I do like this part. That's all that matters. That's the whole reason why I'm rearranging my room, is for my babies here. I just want them to get all the sunlight they need in the morning. But so yeah, so I'm just gonna try to like play Tetris in this bedroom and make it come all together, because I don't know, I'm not really liking it, but we'll see how it comes out in the end. Okay, now this is just crazy insane on how much shoes me and Chris have. I had it in a shoe display here. Well, not a display, but a shoe shelf. And it just fell. Not fell, but it came apart. And it's not broken or anything, but I'm thinking of applying some glue in here, some E6000 glue, and that way this won't happen again. But I did have this for years now, so that is the cause of it too. And of course, look at this many shoes. Like, this is just crazy. But I'm gonna go through it. We're gonna declutter and donate what I do not wear, because this is madness here. And so that's what we're gonna do, is just gonna declutter these shoes, and then we're gonna fix these shelves as well. We're gonna apply glue to that, so this won't happen again. So well, not too bad, right? It looks more decent and organized. And then of course I just have my boots, my heels slash wedges, tennis shoes here, and just these are the sandals I've been wearing like constantly because I've been having like foot pain. And then these are all Chris's shoes, like 5 rows for him and then 5 rows for me. And I have a lot of sandals, so I just put them in this basket, which will end up going in this closet here. Here, let me show you. On the bottom shelf there. But so yeah, so that's how the shoes are looking, and I'm happy with it. right, so I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my bedroom. So as soon as you walk in, this is the first thing that you will see is my TV stand with my plants. And I have to admit, I am loving this view right now, especially because as soon as you walk this way, the blinds, the windows are open, which, like I was telling you in the beginning of the video, why I was rearranging my room, and it is for the love of my plants because I do want them to receive some type of sunshine, and not rely on this grow light here. And so yeah, so now they're just gonna have that natural lighting that they are needing to thrive. And then here is, I have more space to work with, as meaning I'm going to get some more plants, believe it or not. Just don't tell Chris, okay? That is our secret. And then once we come this way, I have my nightstand here, which is gonna have to be there from now on because I had nowhere else to put it. It is just very limited space in this bedroom. But so yeah, so and then once we come this way, there is my bed, which is to me a little bit awkward because it's in the middle between my closet now. This is Chris's side of the closet, and then this is mine. So it feels kind of weird that it's in the middle between our closet, which again is just gonna have to we're gonna have to work with that, and I don't know, like get used to it, I guess, until I don't know, I probably get tired of it. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes, but for right now it's going to live there. And then like I said, this is my closet, which I'll have all my shirts here, my jeans hanged, and then these are all my cubbies for like socks and shorts and t-shirts of that thing. And then up here is my my basket of like, I have like DIY stuff in there. And then here is just some makeup, mine and Chris's perfume and colognes. And then here is, we just have like gadgets and gadgets of like my mop cleaning stuff, my nail dryer, some mask, Chris's back pain things in there. And then down here is like, I have like extra things that I hardly use. That's why it's on the bottom. So, and then you come this way and it's a little bit tight here, but it's not too bad. I fit. I'm not sure if Chris will fit, but we come this way, and then I already talked to you guys about this shoe rack here that I have, which I absolutely am in love with it now because it's not overcrowded or anything like that. It's nothing too crazy. And then again, it has like a little space here. Walk this way, and then this is my laundry room slash Chris's closet. We have our sweaters here and jackets, and I just need to fix more of that because I like everything to be like organized. So I want to put his jeans on this side. But so yeah, so that is how it looks now. And the extra covers that I have that I haven't gotten to wash yet, because usually I take my big covers to the laundromat because I do not want to like stuff them in the washer and break my washer or anything like that. But this is all dirty clothes, and this I will get to another time when I have more strength and to do that. And ignore the ironing board the way it looks. I do need to order a new pad or whatever you call this thing. And I just love that because now I can bring out my ironing board and steam our clothes. But and I just have all this space to work with to expand that. And then here's just my laundry room. I made the video maybe 2 videos ago, I'm not sure, but I'll link it down below so you guys can see that. And this, I just put it up here for now because like I do need to put that in the closet or do something with it. I'm not sure. Just go through it to make sure there's nothing empty in there. But so yeah, so that is pretty much it. And then you walk this way and there's my closet. I have like game boards in there, and then my basket of sandals in there. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I cannot believe I actually finish this. There was so many times where I just wanted to give up and quit on this video because it was just so hard to rearrange everything, plus with the camera equipment in the way. But I pulled through. I took a couple of breaks, I'm not gonna lie, and I just kept on pushing and pushing, and you know what, we got this done. I'm finally done, and I'm so happy with it for now. At least I am happy with that side of the room, especially for my plants. As long as they're happy, I will be happy. But so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Thanks guys for watching.